Hi all. In this video, we will see what is disaster recovery. So disaster recovery DR is the plan when everything breaks. Basically, think about fires, floods, cyber attacks, or even full region outages. DR includes backup, failover systems, and runbooks. DR planning ensures business continuity with minimal data loss. Recovery point objective or RPO and recovery time objective RTO guide the goals. Backup must be frequent, tested, and stored safely, even offline if needed. Some companies use hot standbys. There others spin up a new environment on demand, which is typically stored in one of the cloud servers. Cloud services often support multi-region DR strategies. It's not about what technology is being used, it's about the people, the communication, and speed as well. DR is the seatbelt, which we hope we never need, but we can save everything when it matters.